When it comes to pushing your limits, skateboarding is one of the most exciting and dangerous sports out there. From huge air, incredible tricks, and exhilarating speed, skateboarding is no easy feat. But you've seen 3-year-olds and dogs do it, so it can't be that hard, right? Well, it's time to prove whether you're a poser or a pro. This is your body on skateboarding without training. Okay, to make this experiment more entertaining, we'll see what happens to your body when you attempt some of the hardest stunts. Come on, it'll be great for your TikTok channel. Just kidding. Please don't try any of this without proper training. You'll find out why soon enough. What trick will challenge you the most? What could happen to your body if you fall? And it won't hurt, will it? Okay, time to hop on your board, dude. Make sure to bend your knees to quickly adjust your balance. Ow! Oh, don't worry, you got this. Learning how to fall is all part of the process. Just be sure to wear appropriate protection. To pull off any stunt, you'll need to practice your footwork. Many pros are ambipedal, meaning they can switch stances comfortably and control both feet with equal ease. Strengthening your core will help your stability and mobility. Working with balance boards and Bosu balls is a great way to start. You'll need to build up your leg muscles to help push off and create power. Okay, looks like you're getting the hang of it. Alright, let's see how you fare high in the air. This is the mega ramp. 110 meters long, the ramp is 23 meters at its highest point. To tackle this, you'll need to launch yourself across a 21.3 meter gap. Skaters can reach speeds of up to 88 kilometers per hour as they zoom down the ramp. You'll need to stay in complete control on your descent. If you don't, you could crash before you launch. Oh, that's embarrassing. And if you're not fast enough, you could miss the landing and fall to the ground far below. Luckily, there's a safety pad. On the other end of the mega ramp is a massive quarter pipe where you'll get tons of airtime. If you don't stick the landing at the right angle, well, you might be going home in a stretcher with broken bones. Many broken bones. Okay, so if big air isn't your thing, how about Tony Hawk's Loop of Death? Yeesh, sounds ominous. All you need to do is push off onto the ramp and allow the momentum of the board to carry you around the loop. Seems easy enough. So what if only 15 people have ever done it successfully? You just have to hope you pick up enough speed on the launch, because if you don't, you will fall. You'd likely land on your head and suffer severe injuries. Yeah, sure, the mega ramp and the loop were exciting, but why not try something on the streets? Like grinding this incredibly long handrail over this set of concrete stairs. Oh dear. To make this work, you'll need a lot of momentum. Push hard to pick up some speed. Stay confident. Any doubt will cause you to hesitate and make the wrong move. That would be dangerous. Okay, here comes the rail. Make sure you ollie nice and high. That means jumping in skater lingo. Whether you're doing a board slide, a 50-50, or a fancy dark slide, keep your knees bent and your arms out to help you balance. And that's when it hits you. You could get hurt doing this. If you lose your balance and fall now, you will land hard on the stairs. You'll be bruised or worse. Broken arms, legs, and necks are common injuries for skateboarders. Wrist fractures happen a lot too. And you could really mess up your face. But you're wearing a helmet and protective padding, right? Right? While skateboarding without any training isn't recommended, learning to skateboard can be great for your health. Therapists in Canada have found that skateboarding can have positive effects on the brains of children suffering from trauma. Their social skills improved, and neuroscientists found that they could better manage their emotions. Skateboarding exercises and reprograms areas of the brain responsible for regulating emotions. It's also a sport that involves creative thinking, repetitive skill development, and social skills. The important thing is to be safe and have fun. Okay, now that you're out of the hospital, how about some more extreme sports? Like jumping across a building, parkour. Yeah, we'll see what happens on another episode of Your Body On.